Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford C-Max, and today I'm going to show you how to raise and lower your seats. So for these rear seats, if you want to fold them forward, there's going to be a lever right here you can pull that'll fold the whole thing forward. And if you're in the trunk trying to pull them back, you could grab these handles or reach all the way to the top. And before you fold it back, I would make sure the seat belt isn't trapped. So you might fold it over the top and then pull this back up. And then it'll lock back in place. And since I moved that seatbelt up, it's not trapped. And you can raise and lower these using these side buttons. And if you want to lift it completely out, you can push this little button here, which releases the lock that holds this in place. You can adjust this higher or lower, or just pull this off all the way. And then push this again if you want it to fold down. Same process all with this passenger side for raising and lowering it, and this headrest. For this middle, you can just pull this down if you want to use this. Fold it back up when you're done. And then to adjust these front seats, you need some power to the vehicle. But this, if you push this forward, the whole seat will slide forward. This makes the whole seat slide back. This, you push this way if you want the back to move forward, and then push it back if you want it to lean back. And then this is just like your lumbar support, so this can make it bulge a little more, and this would make it recede more. And then I'll show you the passenger side as well. But then here, this one's not electronic. So you'll pull this to make this back slide forward. And to push it back, usually you want two hands available. But when you lift this, you can now freely move this back and forward. And once you lower this again, it locks it in place. And then for the front here, there's this bar that when you pull it up, it now releases this so you can slide the seat forward and backwards. And then when you have it in the spot you want, just release it and it locks it in place. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.